a little pony. Hi, pony. Oh. Brush its mane for me? Can you brush its mane? Oh, wonderful.
Hey, Bonnie.
Someone's got a best.
Oh. You don't know what that is?
It's a sheep. It's a
Yeah.
sheep.
What's the sheep say?
It's bad.
Look, they're kids. Do you guys remember that? A baby goat is a kid. They're kids. Hi, you're so cute.
Hey, Fred. Come here. Miss Wiley, can we go see the cow?
The cow, yeah.
Look at the two kids. Do they have horns? They're like getting baby horns right there. Aww.
Look at the mommy one.
Let's see this. Is this your? Look at your horns. Let's see.
Did they bite us?
No, they're not gonna bite you. Look at your horns. Nice.
But we could be getting those sheep. Come on, the spider's here.
Hello, donkey.
I have a long Hey, that's it. That's a rooster.
Hello, cow. Are you resting, cow? What's the cow say? What's the cow say? Is this in front of Beatrix's, you guys?
I bet they're.
Does he know Beatrix? Is that Beatrix?
No.
That's not Beatrix.
Well, Beatrix.